Now slow down and stop here. Stay right here. Make sure I don't fall, okay? Let's see if it's straight. You have to stay in the path, because there is a... Yes. Stay in the path only. Where?
Right here.
Let me see. Come forward. That's what happens, you don't listen. Let me see. That's nothing. You'll be fine. Other than that, you're okay?
That happened today.
Other than that, you're okay?
Yes. That didn't happen over there. That happened yesterday. Because I fell.
Okay, let's go. Whenever you're going too fast, just slow it down, okay?